So now we are going to draw average cost curve. Okay, as we all know, average cost curve is the summation of average fixed cost and average variable cost. So we are going to use this similar data. So when output was 1 unit, 2 unit, 3, 4, 5 and so on, then average, we are calculating average cost. So average cost is average fixed cost plus average variable cost. So we are going to add both of these. Okay, so over here you can very well see we calculated it 10 plus, from here we will take average variable cost 10. Okay, then the second unit 5 and 9, then 3.3 and 7, sorry 8, then 2.5 and 7, 2, and the next one is 6.4. So when we add up all these, we get to calculate, जब हम इन सबको ऐड कर देंगे we will get average cost. Okay, and when we plot the graph of average cost with output, we get the summation graph of average variable cost and average fixed cost. So the next we are going to discuss about marginal cost and the shapes of marginal cost curve. So marginal cost is the addition to total cost due to addition of one unit of output. So this means that in total cost, when every other unit is added, so it is considered as marginal cost. So it is very much clear from this formula. Marginal cost is this triangle sign is the delta sign, it represents change. Okay, that means change in total cost divided by change in quantity. That means after addition of every next unit, what is the change in total cost and the quantity. Okay, so this will be more clear by this table. So just look at the table. So this is the output given to us. Okay, these are the units produced by a firm. Okay, total fixed cost as we all know ki it is not never changeable, it remains same whatever the number of units we are producing. Total variable cost is given. So if suppose total cost of producing 5 units of a commodity is 135, that means when they produce 5 units it cost 135, and 6th unit is 180 rupees. That means 5th से 6th पर जाते हुए, okay, whatever increase we find in the total cost, that means 135 से 180 पर अगर हम जाते हैं तो कितना difference आता है. That means when we subtract it we get 45. So 45 rupees will be considered as the marginal cost. That means by adding on every next unit, what difference we get in the total cost, it is the marginal cost. So we are already also given the total variable cost. So this is the total variable cost. That means when we produce 0 units, so variable cost is 0 and fixed cost is 10. Why? Because whether you produce or not produce, you will have to pay the fixed cost. Okay, suppose you are taking premises on rent, आप चाहे किसी दिन प्रोडक्शन करें या ना करें, आपको रेंट तो पे करना ही पड़ेगा. सो दिस इज द फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट विच वेदर द आउटपुट इज जीरो, व्हेन द आउटपुट इज जीरो it will be the same for every unit. Okay, whatever number of units you are producing. So this is the total cost, total variable cost. That means जब हम हर बार न्यू प्रोडक्शन करते जा रहे हैं, वी आर गोइंग ऑन इंक्रीजिंग आवर प्रोडक्शन, तो जो हम फैक्टर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन यूटिलाइज कर रहे हैं उनके ऊपर जो वेरिएबल फैक्टर्स हैं, ओके, तो उनके ऊपर हम क्या एक्सपेंडिचर कर रहे हैं, व्हाट एक्सपेंडिचर वी आर doing on the variable factors, that means changeable factors like labor. Okay, then total cost we found out by adding total fixed cost by total variable cost, this plus this. Okay, second and the third column. Then marginal cost is total cost, हर सेकेंड यूनिट को आपने फर्स्ट यूनिट से माइनस करते चले जाएंगे तो वी गेट द मार्जिनल कॉस्ट. सो व्हाट डू वी सी फ्रॉम मार्जिनल कॉस्ट ओवर हेयर? इट इज 0 एट द फर्स्ट पॉइंट बिकॉज 10 है, 10 को किसी में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो सेम नील होता है. ओके, देन 20 को आपने 20 में से 10 को करेंगे तो वी गेट 10. देन 28 में से 20 को माइनस करना है, वी गेट 8. देन 28 माइनस 34. सो दिस वे वी आर गेटिंग द मार्जिनल कॉस्ट. सो व्हाट डू वी नोटिस फ्रॉम द मार्जिनल कॉस्ट? अर्लियर इट इज डिक्रीजिंग, at a point it remains constant and then again it started increasing. Okay, so pehle it is decreasing, then it remained constant. Okay, and then after a point it started increasing again. So this is the shape of marginal cost curve. Okay, it is U-shaped curve, that means output we are taking on the x-axis and marginal cost which we calculated is taken on y-axis, and this is the shape of curve when we plot the points. So we get a U-shaped curve, and this U-shaped curve is marginal cost curve. Okay, so this shows that firstly it is decreasing, then it remained constant for some time, and then again it started increasing. Okay, so this represent the U-shaped curve, marginal cost curve. That means earlier decrease, then constant, and then increase. Fine.